Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is Planetary Parade 2025. Recently, 6 planets, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune and Saturn, aligned in the night sky, forming an expansive arc above Earth. This celestial event, commonly referred to as a planetary parade, occurs when multiple planets become visible in the sky at the same time. Planetary alignments are common, but this particular event was notable for the number of bright planets visible at the same time. 4 of the planets, Jupiter, Mars, Venus and Saturn, were visible to the naked eye. Before we proceed, we have an important announcement for you. Drishti IAS is pleased to announce a new batch for the IAS-GS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at its Noida branch. The English medium batch will commence on 17th February. The Hindi medium batch will begin on 21st February. For more details, call us at 87501. Key highlights of the planetary parade. The term planetary parade is not an official astronomical term but is used to describe the rare visibility of multiple planets in alignment. The planets appeared in a broad arc across the sky, all positioned on the same side of the Sun. Visibility details. Jupiter was the most luminous. Mars and Venus appeared bright in the post-sunset horizon. Saturn was prominently visible. Mercury was visible only briefly. Uranus and Neptune required binoculars or a telescope for observation. Live streaming. Italy's Virtual Telescope project offered a free webcast of the planetary parade. Originally scheduled for 25th January, the live stream was rescheduled to 26th January due to cloud cover. The event was hosted by astrophysicist Gianluca Masi and featured telescopic views of all 6 planets. The Virtual Telescope project, established in 2006, combines research with public outreach and provides high-quality, real-time views of astronomical events. Now it's time for the practice question. What is a planetary parade? An official term used for planetary alignments, a rare event where all planets align in a straight line, a common phenomenon where multiple planets become visible in the night sky, or a term used to describe comets aligning with the planets. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.